cookies. Hi everyone, my name is Lupita. Welcome to the Cookie Couture, where flavor and design collide. Today I'm going to share with you some cookies inspired in the tin hearts that are very popular in the place where I'm from. These tin heart cookies has been in my bucket list for several years, but I have never had time to make them until now, and I'm super excited because they turn out very nice. And actually I'm wearing some tin heart earrings. Okay, I really hope that you like this video. I'm going to share with you how you can cut out these cookies even though you don't have the cookie cutter, how to use metallic paint. Also, I'm going to be using the same technique that I share with you, that I use a pencil brush to add the icing to my cookies. I'm super excited because the cookies turn out super cute. And also in this video, I want to wish you a very happy Valentine's Day. Okay, so I'm ready and let's get started. I am going to use my cookie cutter to make the template, okay? And this is going to be super easy. I'm just going to make the flame in here. So now I'm going to cut just a little flame because my heart, I already have it. Cut out my cookies. Very well, first I am going to cut out the hearts and I'm going to put them in my baking sheet. Now I'm going to put the templates on my cookie dough. And I'm going to use a flat knife like this one, and I'm just going to start cutting around my template. Now I'm going to take out my template. It's like surgery, guys. Now you're gonna clean the sides of your flames. With the same knife, I take out the excess of cookie dough so the flame looks more nice and neat. I'm going to try to open it a little bit so the flames could be more defined. Now it's a very good time for you to preheat your oven at 350, and we are going to glue our pieces. Remember that every time that you're going to glue cookie dough with cookie dough, you need to use egg wash or egg to put them together. I'm gonna get a little bit. Just a little bit here. Okay, these cookies are ready to bake. When you make these kind of cookies, you need to be super careful to take them out of the tray. While my cookies were baking, I tinted flooding consistency icing in a bright pink using neon or electric pink and fuchsia, a little bit of light copper, and a beautiful red using deep pink and super red. Okay, I have my icings ready and I'm going to start decorating those beautiful hearts. I am going to make it using my traditional way of decorating cookies. I'm just going to put flooding consistency icing in all the flame. All the flame is covered. I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit. Now I'm going to cover all these pink with edible glitter, okay? Now I'm going to cover all the heart with the flooding consistency red icing, and I am going to let it dry completely. I also tinted a little bit of navy blue icing. For this one, I am just going to put a little bit in the center. Now for the final touches, I'm going to use a metallic red paint from Chef Master. You need to do this when your cookie is completely dry and with a very dry brush, okay? So I'm gonna grab a little bit of the metallic red paint. I'm gonna let it dry, and also I'm going to do the same thing with the navy blue center. I just need to wait it to get dry a little bit. This is the navy blue metallic paint that I'm going to use too. Wow, it looks so pretty. Now I'm going to use the same metallic paint to do a little design in here. Also, I'm going to use brown medium consistency icing, and I'm going to put it in a squeezing bottle with a decorating tip number 1.5. For this other cookie, I started by outlining the outside and a little heart in the center. In this one, I am going to put a little bit of the light copper icing. And in the outside, I'm going to put the pink icing. And now you are just going to drag a little bit of the white. Then you're going to put little dots of red icing in here. Now I'm going to use the same technique that I'm going to use a brush to decorate the flame. Please click the link above to see a very good tutorial on how to do it. Now I'm going to put a little bit of orange. Now I'm going to add a little bit more of the orange gel color to have a darker shade of orange. Now I'm going to put a little bit of the red icing, and then I'm going to drag all the colors. I also put in the center a little bit of the metallic rose gold. And adding these little touches of metallic pink, they make your cookies look super amazing. Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you're new here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe, push the notification button, leave me any comment, question or suggestion, follow me in my social media, and always be super creative in your baking and your cookie decorating, and have a wonderful Valentine's Day. See you until next time. Bye bye.